Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to the new video of how to speak English confidently and fluently, how to speak English like native speaker. I know you want to speak in English because English is a very important nowadays. Even you want to go for overseas studies in a Canada or Australia, or you want to do a job in corporate sector, English is very important. I know many of them, those who are studying in the BTech and MBA program, but they are not so good in their communication skills. Because of that, they cannot able to get a job in MNC companies just because of English, just because of communication skills. But believe me, my friends, if you think that you can speak in English, so you will definitely going to speak in English. But English needs hard work. It is not a shortcut. You have to learn vocabulary. You have to read English newspaper every day. You have to listen English media every day. If you really want to improve your English speaking and want to speak English like native speaker. So I'm here to tell you some few words which will going to help you to improve your vocabulary building. So let's start today's video with some advanced English words. Accost, to approach and to speak to someone. Now I will make a sentence by using accost word. Amanda Karate chopped the stranger who accosted her in the street and was embarrassed to find he was an old blind man. Okay? Acerbic, bitter sour sewer. Barry sat silently as our teacher read aloud her acerbic comments on his paper. Next word, acquiesce, comply passively, to accept, to accent, agree. I will make a sentence by using that word. To acquiesce is to do something without objection. Next word, acrid, harsh like acid. Long after the fire had been put out, we could feel the acrid sting of smoke in our nostrils. We all know about the nostrils. Acrimonious, amazing word, acrimonious. Adjective, full of spite, bitter, nasty. That is the meaning of that word. George and Elizabeth discussion turned acrimonious when Elizabeth introduced the subject of George perennial in incorrigibly stupidity. Last word for the day is acumen. Maybe you heard that word or not, but I'm here to tell you, and it is my duty to introduce the new words to you so that you can improve your speaking English. Keenness of judgment, mental sharpness, a woman who knows how to turn a dollar into $1 million overnight might be said to have a lot of business acumen. So, I think these are the advanced words, and which is very important. We will do only 5 to 10 words in an everyday session of English speaking. But you have to take a promise with me that you will do reading every day, you will listen English media every day, and you will speak in front of mirror, and you will also learn those advanced words which I am telling you in my everyday class. This is the book. If you want to buy, you can buy. Word Power Made Easy, written by Norman Lewis, published by the S. Chan publication. If you really want to improve your English, so my friend, you have to keep on updating yourself. And updating yourself, I have told you there are the 3 ways. But again, I am telling you, you have to do the practice if you really want to improve your English speaking skills. And believe me, when you will improve your English speaking skills, you will definitely going to speak with anyone anytime. So I hope you will like the video of today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.